Alright, you guys, today we're going to be doing vector and dot products. Um, we already went over, for example, let's say u was the vector 3, -5, and if you did 2u, then the answer was 6, -10. Okay, that we already did. So what we're going to be doing today is, for example, the vector 4, 5 times the vector 2, 3. It's kind of, we're kind of doing like multiplying and then the addition at the same time. So basically what you got to do is you're going to multiply these. 4 times 2, which is 8. But you have to add whatever this is. 5 times 3, which is 15. So the answer here would be 23. And this is called a scalar. Okay? See, when we multiply this would be considered a scalar. This is a vector. And when you multiply a scalar and a vector, this answer right here is a vector. But when you multiply two vectors, you get a scalar. The reason why I'm going over that is because in the work, it's going to ask you to do the work and then state whether it's a vector or a scalar. Okay, so it's real simple. All right. So now let's say they give you something like this. Let's say u is the vector 1, 3. V is the vector 2, -4. And we'll go with w equals the vector 1, -2. Alright, so I'm going to do 3 examples here. Okay. Number 1. We're going to find the product of u times v and then times w. Okay. Now, it's multiplying, so we'll just go in order. U times v, so 1, 3 times 2, -4, which would be 1 times 2, which is 2. 3 times -4 is -12. That equals -10. Okay, and then we got to multiply this times w. So if I do -10 times w, 1, -2. So right now our answer is a scalar so far. But now I have to multiply it with this vector. So we have a scalar times a vector, which will give us a vector. So -10 and 20. That would be u times v times w. Okay, which gives us a vector. Okay, let's say our second example is u times 2v. Alright, so I can multiply this first, 2 times v, which is the way I would do it. The book would tell you to do this, multiply u times v, then multiply it by 2. You're going to get the same answer either way. So I would just do it this way, 2 times v. Alright, so 2 times that would be 4, -8. And then multiply that by u, which is 1, 3. So then this 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. That together gives us negative 20. That would be our answer. And then this would be a scalar. Okay, real simple. How they're going to try to trick you though is to say, hey, what is the magnitude of u? And basically we already know what that is. Okay, it's just, what's u? 1, 3, so it's just 1 squared plus 3 squared. So you get 1 plus 9 square root of 10. Okay, we already learned that. What they want you to understand now, that's basically it's just u times u. So 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 3 is 9, and you see we get the same answer. So really, I would not do it this way. I would still do it the way I showed you guys before. Okay. That's all I'm going to cover today. So page 435, and let's go with 7 through 31. Odd. No, sorry. I meant to say 27. Okay. All right. Message me if you have any questions.